Okay, welcome back to the Blender 3 Docwalk. This document is industry compatible Keymap. The industry compatible Keymap. This is the generally accepted Keymap in the 3D modeling industry. Just so you're aware, that does not mean that the default Blender Keymap is tuned to this. There are several differences, but that being the case, and the whole point of Docwalks being that we go over the documentation of any one particular piece of software, we're just going to kind of run through this really quickly. If you want to, pull this open and tune Blender specifically to fit and to be industry compatible, go ahead. But yeah, we're not going to take a lot of time on this. We're just going to kind of roll through it. If there's something interesting, I'll make a comment on it. But other than that, we're just going to cruise through this one. So first, general 1 through 9, mode element switching, right mouse button, context menu, tab, menu search, shift tab, quick access of favorites. Remember in Blender, that's Q. Return, rename, control return, render, control open square bracket, toggle toolbar, control close square bracket, toggle sidebar. Common editing keys. Backspace deletes the selected item but requires a confirmation dialog. Delete deletes a selected item, does not require a confirmation dialog. Remember, in Blender, this is Control X and delete. Okay, Control D, duplicate. That is the same in Blender. P, set parent. B, proportional editing or soft selection. Viewport. Alt left mouse button, orbit view. Alt middle mouse button, pan view. Alt right mouse button, zoom view. F1 through F4, front, side, top camera viewpoints. Obviously very different from how Blender's default Keymap is set up. F, frame selected. A, frame all. Selection, left mouse button, select. Control A, select all. Shift Control A, deselect all. Control I, select inverse. Up arrow, select more. Down arrow, select less. Double left mouse button, select loop. That may just be a double click. Double alt left mouse button. I assume this is also just double clicking, holding alt down and double clicking the left mouse button. I assume that's what they're talking about. Close square bracket, select linked. Tools. W, E, and R, transform tools. Q, box select. D, annotate. C, cursor tool. Edit mode tools. Control E, extrude. Control B, bevel. I, inset. K, knife. Alt C, loop cut. Spacebar, player pause. S, set location plus rotation plus scale keyframe. Shift S, insert keyframe menu. Shift W, set location key. Shift E, set rotation key. Shift R, set scale key. And finally, platform-specific keys for the macOS. The command key can be used instead of control on macOS for all but a few exceptions which conflict with the operating system. All right, that is the end of this one. Told you that would be short. I will see you in the next document, buttons.